Alright, today I'm going to show you how to use Doodle to create group meetings and surveys. First you go on doodle.com, then it's going to ask you to create an account and stuff like that if this is your first time using it. How I did it was I set it up through my Gmail. As you can see, I'm logged in already. Takes you to the dashboard. Click create, or you could click any of the three down here, but I'm going to show you how to create a group meeting right quick. Click group meeting. What is a group meeting for? It's the title, career, we're gonna do it with new inventions. Picture new inventions. You can add a location if you want. Well, I'm gonna do it is, as you can see, they got different ones: Zoom, Google Hangouts, WebEx, online, Skype, conference call, to be defined, phone call. I want to do Google Hangouts. Add a note. Make sure and click continue. And say this is for October 18th, which is a Friday, from 9. And if I want to drag it down, I'm going to drag it down. So 9 all the way to 11. It's a 2-hour meeting. As you can see, that goes right there. If you want it to be an all-day event, you just click on top of this right here on the date, and it'll be set as an all-day event. But if you want to do a certain time, you just kind of click on wherever the line is, and you just drag it to how long you want the meeting to be. So from 9 to 11 on Friday, October 18th, click continue. You can read these options right here, the poll settings. See, you just read it all through them, and it all depends on how you're doing it. Me, I'm just gonna click this one. And you can make people names like non-visible if you want, but as of now, I don't need that. Click finish. Email people if you send out for you to, of course, you gotta invite people. So I'm gonna invite my backup Gmail and send. See, it said it was sent. There you go. Put your new inventions, Hartawi, print, add a Slack. See, Google Hangouts. Make sure your ideas are detailed. And this is the calendar version. It shows you. See, and this is the table version right here. And it tells you how many people participated and everything as you do it. And that'll be all. And that's how you use Doodle to create group meetings.